Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the cable box and Google TV. Plug both into wall power now. Connect HDMI from the cable box to an available HDMI on the Google TV or TV itself. Make sure you note the HDMI number. If your cable uses coax only, attach a coax to HDMI adapter before the HDMI step. Once done, turn on devices and switch the TV to that HDMI input. You'll see the signal or a setup prompt. Keep cable account info handy for activation. Now you'll configure how Google TV accepts cable. In Settings, map the HDMI input so the remote and guide work. Enable HDMI CC to let the Google TV control power and switching. If your provider offers an app, install and sign in. This lets you stream authenticated cable channels. For integrated audio, enable HDMI ARC or eARC on both devices and your soundbar if present. Make sure to test channel changes and guide data. Adjust resolution to match your display for best picture. Finish by verifying live channels, on-demand playback, and the program guide responsiveness. Confirm resolution and HDCP status for protected content. If something fails, restart the cable box in Google TV, then check for firmware or app updates. Make sure your account is authenticated with the provider. One key troubleshooting tip: if no picture, swap HDMI cables and inputs, then power cycle the cable box and TV in sequence. This clears handshake errors. If problems persist, contact provider support with your device model and error behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.